Hey guys, this is Will. I'm at Cross Jeep in Louisville, Kentucky. We're gonna do a little walk around on this 2024 Jeep Wrangler Rubicon X. It's gonna feature the Anvil Clearcoat. And if you haven't, picked up on a few hints already, this one's pretty special. It's got a Demon 170 swap underneath the hood. So you got your 6.2 liter supercharged V8. Roughly around 1,000 horsepower. Still got the 8-speed automatic transmission. I mean, this thing is a peppy little 4-door Wrangler. But other than that, this thing, it comes with the XR package. So you're gonna get the XR fender extensions. Got the Mopar or XR beadlock capable wheels. And then wrapped around those wheels is a 35-inch tire. You're also gonna get the steel bumper group. So you got the worn winch tucked in your front steel bumper, LED lighting. Walk around here and you got your Demon decal on both sides, driver's and passenger side front fenders. Got Quadratec side steps. Interior, nothing's really changed, still your standard Rubicon. Got your black Napa leather, got your red Rubicon stitching. Got your touchscreen display with your button layouts. Looks like this one has the cold weather package. Got a little ejecto-ceto button. Got your front and rear lockers, auxiliary switches, off-road plus mode. And really, really clean. This thing, 2024, only has 14,000 miles. Got a little SRT Demon badge here on the rear window. This one also includes the Alpine premium sound system. We also got the Armor Light, floor liner. Receiver hitch as well. Got your rear steel bumper with the parking sensors. Got the upgraded tire carrier. Support that 35-inch tire. Take a step back and let you get a full view. This thing also has the, I believe it's like the 392 vented hood. But I mean, overall, this is a fantastic and a super fun vehicle. You'd have no problem, going on the trail and getting out of some sticky situations. But other than that, I really just wanted to show this one off. I mean, this is a one-of-one Jeep Wrangler. There's not many out there with a Demon swapped 6.2 liter supercharged V8. But other than that, this one is available. Just check out our website. It's crossjeep.com. And if you're interested, feel free to call us at 502-537-1738.